tutor channel atangin chi bai levek o voina chuan class 8 mathematics ahian comparing quantities kan ti ang chi percentage te profit or loss kan ti te compound interest te ho kha kan zir don chawanga class 8 mathematics ahian okay 8.1 kan endon ani in textbook khalo ke ula exercise 8.1 kha ino endon nia ti chuan question number 1 kan kal ngal mai anga question number 1 chuan a b c ran oma hi ratio ni a simplest form in that urani we need to keep this ratio as a simplest form. So we'll do it like just like before. We'll first explain in English, then afterwards in Mizo. In question number 1, we have to keep this ratio into its simplest form. In the first question, 15 km per hour is to 30 km per hour. If you keep this into a fraction, 15 by 30, then if you cut down with 15, this is 1 time, this is 2 times, so it becomes 1 by 2. So if you keep this as a ratio, then it will become 1:2, this one. Okay, then in the same way, the same thing happened here in question number B. 5 meter is to 10 kilometer. Here the unit of measurement is different. Meter is a smaller unit and kilometer is a bigger unit. As we have known before, kilo means 1,000. So kilometer means 1,000 meter. So we need to keep this 10 kilometer into meter. So if you are going to change this 10 meter to kilometer, you have to multiply it by 1,000. So it will become 5 meter will be as it is. Then 10 kilometer will become 10,000 meter. So if you cut down with 5 this is 1, 5 this is 2,000. So 1 by 2,000 is there. So if you put it as a ratio, then it will become 1:2,000. In the same way, in question number C, 50 paise is to rupees 5. So rupees 5, in 1 rupee, there are 100 paise. Everybody knows it, no? So it become 50:500. So 5 rupees will become 500. Then if you cut it down by 50, it will become 1 by 10. So as a result, we have found it as 1:10. Ole question number 1 ahian hay kan mong hian 15 km per hour le 30 km per hour ne fraction ang kan da 15 by 30. So pangain han chokte ta la so pangai na hun khat so pangai na hun ne lo nia chu ratio in kan da let lenga 1:2 angina lo kal don ani. Question number B ave thung chuan 5 meter le 10 km lo ni ta ai unit thin ang tatlat lo mai ni ti chuna unit khain ang kan siam mangai ta ai unit lian zo khi unit te zo ka kan thla ka nga ya 5 meter is to 10 km. Kilometer khata hian meter sang khat zelo omani chu meter sang khat zelo chuti ni chuan 10 km a chuan meter sing khat om don ti na ni chu mo 10 kha sang khatin puntir ula sing khat lo chuak mayang chuan 5 meter is to 10,000 lo ni anga chu han chokte ula pangai na hun khat pangai na hun sang ni ania 1:2,000 lo ni anga chu answer ani ngal don ta ni ratio khan mo chu c na hian 50 paise to rupees 5 tia paise somnga le chenga lo ta cheng khata in paise zar zelo om ta naya kan ti thina kan te line mo naya za zelo oma chuti ni chuan chenga hi paise kan chantir chuan zai kan puntir nga zanga ne maya somnga hnoya zanga chu somnga in han chokte le ta la 1 by 10 lo nia chu ratio kan da chun 1:10 ani le mai ta ni thil har sa om lo tro. Then we'll go straight away to question number O. Here helai hi kan mamu kha kan don da le a kilometer khata meter sang khati tur hi kan chut sual pal lo ngai dam ula cheng khata paisa za zelo ombok kha kan ria ta ngai. Question number 2 kal ngalang. In question number 2 we have 3:4. We are going to find it percentage. We'll put 3:4 as 3/4 into 100. in order to put this into its percentage, so we need to multiply it by 100. So 3 is to 4 will be put as 3 by 4 into 100. So that means with 4, if you divide 100, it will become 25. If you multiply 25 with 3, it will have 75. So that will be the answer. We'll put it as 75%. In the same way here in question number B, 2 is to 3. Then we'll put this 2 is to 3 as 2 by 3. So in order to find its percentage, we need to multiply it by 100. So there's nothing to divide it. We cannot divide 3 and 100 or 3 with 2. So we need to multiply the numerator first of all. 2 into 100 is becoming 200. Then at the denominator we'll have 3 as we'll put it as it is. If you divide 200 by 3, you will find 66 2 by 3%. That is what we have got in question number 2. Question number 2 at son hey ratio oma 3 is to 4 hi percentage kan zong do na 3 is to 4 to 3 by 4 in kan danga percentage kan zong do na wangin 100 in kan punti ranga pali in za hi amun somni pangani ti kan hretur ni a ni nga le pathumi punti chon samsari pangalo chokanga 75% kha answer chulo ni don ta ni number b hen 2 by 3 oma 2 by 300 kan punti chon hei chote thei pakhat maum lo ni 2 le 3 kan chokte thei lo 3 le 100 kan chokte thei lo boka chutin chona chung hi kan multiply ve ve nga 2 le 100 ti multiply chon 200 lo nia nga noya 3 la ngar ngarang 3 hian 200 hi isem chuan 66 2 by 3 hi lo chok don ani choose percentage ang kan da anga choose answer ni le mai ni. Now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3, we have in a class there are some students. Among those students, 72% are good in math. Then we need to find out the actual numbers of students who are good in math. In order to find it out, 72% will put it as 72 by 100. And as we have known from the question, the total number of students in that class is 25. So 72 by 100 into 25, if you cut it down with 25 this one time, with 25 this 4 times. If you divide 72 by 4, it will have 18. So the actual number of students who are not good in maths, okay, those who are good in maths are 18. Among 25 students, 18 are good in maths. In order to find out the actual number of students, those who are not good in maths, we have to subtract the number of good in maths, that is 18, from the total number, that is 25. So the number of students who are not good in maths equal to 25 minus 18. 25 minus 18 is 7. So 7 students are not good in maths in that class. Le question number pathum na chuan class pakhata hian no pang somni pangan oma chu mi jinga chun 72% kha maths an thiam em ma maths thiam lo zat jong chok roti ni maths thiam percentage kha 72% ani a exact ching e kan mu chodon chon 72 by 100 72 by 100 only percent 2 by 100 inane 72 by 100 into kan tia hi class khata no pangom zat khalon ta ni 72 by 100 into 25 lo chokta ni nga hian za hi amun li ni ti hret kar tur o chen pali lat om chuan somsri pani hi han sem le anga so pariat lo chok don ani chuti ni chuan hei so pariat hi maths thiam tak tak ho khan ni ta ni ti chuan maths thiam lo ho jong chok ro te sia maths thiam lo ho kan jon chok don chuan an a class pum puino pangza ta tang khan maths thiam ho kha kan pai mai don ani ni nga tangin som pariat kan payanga pasari lo chok ta no pang pasari hian maths an thiam lo em mai ni nang ni chin thiam vek tu ren class khan anuam thi ne. Then we'll go to question number 4. Question number 4, we have a team. There is one team. They are playing for the whole week. Every day they are playing. And among those matches they have won 40% matches, that is 10 matches. We need to find out the number of matches they have played. So in order to find it out, we'll put x as a number of matches that they have played. So 40% of x equal to 10. That is taken from the question. So 40% means 40 by 100. Of means multiply. Then x we have here equal to 10. Then we need to find out this x. So x equal to 10 is there already at the right hand side of the equal to. 10 is already there. Then we need to shift this 40 by 100 to the right side. So whenever you are going to shift that rational number to the other side of equal to and take up the operation as a multiplication, you have to reverse it. So 40 by 100 will become 100 by 40. So let's cut down. With 0, you cut 0 here. Then with 400 will, if you cut this 100, you will have 25. So they played 25 matches altogether. Let team pakatan oma question number 4. So team pakatan oma kartu ni na khela ain khel zong khan game somli za somli kha an chaka chu match so mani chon match sang zat nge vital thuin an play de kan jong so dona an match play jong song zat kha x lo ti taila 40% of x2 game match so malo ri tani chon 40% means 40 by 100 nan ta for 4% 40% hi of I multiply mo chon x angai kan la ta equal to 10 hi lo omsa chuan x kan hu cho tur ni wangin 40 by 100 hi he ta le lama kan la phei dona puntir na he angai la kal don chon he alet lingin le lama kalangai ni x equal to 10 he angai la rong kala chon 40 by 100 hi le lama kal chon 100 by 40 lo ni anga helai bial hian kat ta ula chuan 4 in 100 hi sem chuan mun som ni pangania ti chuan kha tim khan kar tuana ain khel khan maths som ni panga an khel ti nan ta ni ti chuan question number 5. Okay, we have to see question number 5 here. Chameli has some amount of money, first of all, that we have not known. So she spent 75% of it, and the money left behind is 600. At the beginning, how much money that Chameli had? So let the amount of money be x. From that money, from the whole money she has spent 75%, means from the whole money we have to subtract 75%, because spent who is here who is there minus here, because 75% is the amount that she has spent. So x minus 75% x equal to rupees 600. Then x equal to 75% means 75 by 100, x equal to rupees 600. Then if you take 100 as an LCM, you have to multiply 100 with x, then 100x minus 75x by 100 equal to 600. Then 100 minus 75 is 25 by 100, x equal to 600. Or if you cut down this 25 with 100, you will find 1 by, this is with 25, you will find 4. So 1 by 4x equal to 600. So if you put this 1 by 4 to the other side of equal to, you have to reverse it. Then you have to put the reverse version of that rational number. 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1. X equal to 600 into 4. Where is that 1 here? No, if 1 is there at the denominator in mathematics, we need not to write it. So 600 into 4 equal to 2,400. So actually Chameli has rupees 2,400 at the beginning. Le kan buang hi question number 5 ha chuan Chameli khan poisa eng mo zata ne ya chumi poisa nei zong zong ha chuan za som sari panga khathil le na manga chon cheng zaru kala chuanga ni atira Chameli khan cheng zat nge nei chamili poisa na izat kha kan hriat du si chun chamili poisa na izat kha 6 x kan ti mayang x kan ti mayanga a poisa na izong zong atang he 75% man zo wangin subtract angai kan man zo to chu kan mang zo to aral to tro aral to ni chun minus angai x atangin 75% x kha kan minus sa chun poisa la bang khang zat nge kan ti kha question khan rupees 600 an ni ta a x minus 75% means 7 by 100 x equal to rupees 600 alone ta a hey 100 hi LCM ai lak chuan hey noi ve nei velo hi LCM in han multiply to tur kan ti kha 100 into x is 100x minus 75x equal to 600 la ni le ta a ti chuan za atanga sari ngai pai chon ni nga lo chuakang ni nga hnuaia za x equal to rupees 600 ti chu la ngai char char o chuan ani lo pon hei ni nga le za hi chokte ta la ni ngai na hmun khat ni ngai na hmun li tro 1 by 4 x equal to 600 le x kan hmu chaw tur ni wangin 1 by 4 hi le lama kal chuan a letling zong in a kal dong kan ti kha x equal to 600 into 4 ngatunge 4 by 1 tur ni sia khonge 1 kha kan ti chuan number reng renga hian a hnuai han 1 om vek angania kan zek lang ngai lo ni a hnuaia denominator 1 om hi kan zek lang ngai lo kan ti to kha o chuan 4 le zaruk i pun tir chuan sang ni zali lo chuakanga chuti chuan chamili chuan atran tira a eng poisa man hau ma khan avain poisa nei za chu cheng sang zali ti na lo ta ni ti chuan question number 6 kan en le anga okay let's go to question number 6 percentage of people who like other games okay actually there are some peoples in that town or among those the percentage of people who like cricket are 60% and the person who like football are 30% and all the rest are playing other games other than cricket or football. So we need to find out the actual number of those people. Okay, in the city there are actually there are some people. So among those 60 likes cricket and 30 likes football. So the people who don't like football or cricket, we need to find a percentage. So 100 minus 60 plus 30 equal to 10%. Yes, 10% do not like cricket nor football. So we need the actual number. In the city there are 50 lakh people. Okay, we need to know that. In the question itself it is written like that. Number of people who likes cricket are 60 by 100 into 50 lakh. If you cut down 0 with this 0, 0 with this 0, then 6 and 5 will remain. 6 5s are 30. So 30 lakh people likes cricket. In the same way, the people who like footballs are 30%. That means 30 by 100 into 50. If you cut down the zeros, then you will have 3 and 5 remaining. If you multiply it, you will find out 15 lakh. Then the number of people who like other games are 10, as you have found out here, 10%. 10 by 100 into 50 lakh. If you cut down the zeros of this, and there are 1 and 5 remaining. If you multiply it 1 is to 5, 1 and 5, you will find out 5 lakh. So as a result, 30 lakh people likes cricket, 15 lakh people like football, and 5 lakh people likes other games other than football or cricket. Like question number 6 na chuan khopui pakata hen mi nuai somnga an omar an tipot mai ne chumi zinga chun zazela somrukin cricket an ngaina a chuan zazela somthumin football an ngaina a adang zongkha chuan in football cricket ti lo game dang khan ngaina ni tennis te poni mai thei mo carom board te poni mai theya chuan 100 minus 60 plus 30% hi mi pui football emo cricket emo ngaina velo khan ni 100 minus 90 chu 10% ani maya cricket ngaina zat kha kan mu chunga ya 60% ani so 60 by 100 alo nianga into คบผู้อยากขันมีหน่วยสมงานองค์กันเด็กขโมยหน่วยสมงานขัดให้กันดัง 0 hian kat diet tai la hetiang kat mai chu 6 le 7 a hin zir ti vek lo tro chon paruk le panga la chuanga panga mun ruk somthum mi noi somthum in cricket an ngai na khain va tam ve chuan mi exact nge football ngai na ve 30% tro into 50 lakh tho 0 kan kat char ta chon 3 le 5 lo chuanga pathum hun nga som panga mi noi som panga in football ngai na ani le football pone lo cricket pone lo ngai na ho kha exact nge ni ve 10% kan tia 10 by 100 into 50 lakh kan han chok te le ngar ngara panga mun khat panga mi noi nga chuan in game dang khal ngai na ni ti kha achana kan nei chu alo ni le ta ane ti chuan kha zong kha kan zir thei chu ni me ro se